Hey folks, it's Tom, your Frugal Prepper. I'm here with the mini Frugal Prepper, the not so mini Frugal Prepper anymore. Almost as tall as me. I wanted to show you this fuel pump. For everybody that was questioning my diagnosis, I did a video over on my extras channel that explained why it wasn't a plug filter, why it wasn't an inertia switch, and all that crap. But I'll just show you here. I got the new one in. Here's the old one in here. I'll show it to you. Here's the old one, and it looks okay, but it's noisier than the new one was, and it draws too many amps. And so now we'll hook it up. Here. We'll see how many amps she's drawing. 5.7 amps, and around 6 or 7, 8, maybe even 9 amps is what you want these to draw. So now she's drawing 5.7 amps instead of 22, 23 amps. And let's see if she starts. Let me put that fuse in there and we'll see. Let me unhook this so we don't get any shorts. Oh, come on, get off that hose clamp. There we go. Fuse in here, and now we'll go start her up and see if she runs. I already swapped the computer back. We'll see if she starts. She got back gas cap too. Check this out. That's gonna throw an evac leak code. Man, I tell you, this car's got all kinds of little problems. But anyway, we'll climb on in here. We'll turn this. See if that theft light goes out. If it does. And then she starts and she runs.
Is there anything else to fix?
This car has all kinds of stuff to fix. Tomorrow, I'm gonna put a new window in this door for her. And then she's taking it back, and she's going to get a windshield from the junkyard and have them replace that. That'll be the next thing. But this will get her back on the road. Gets it back up and running. I'm just going to let it run for a little while. I can tell the sound of it. It has a bad exhaust manifold. It's got a broken stud. But as it's heating up, it's quieting down. So yeah. But I did have to put a little extra gas in this because it only had about 1.5 gallons in the tank. So I put in a couple extra gallons of good, clean, fresh gas in there because it had some really old raunchy gas too. But she's running, so it was the fuel pump.